Imagine a universe not of stars, but of human feelings: joy, sorrow, anger, surprise. Now imagine teaching a machine to navigate this inner cosmos. That's emotional AI, or affective computing. It's about building systems that can recognize, interpret, and simulate human emotions, not to give machines a soul, but to help them understand ours. The goal? Make our interactions with technology more natural, more human. Think of your smart assistant. What if it could sense your frustration or excitement, not just answer questions? Emotional AI reads subtle cues: a frown, a change in your voice, the words you choose. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. Algorithms are being trained and emotional AI is quietly integrating into our lives. From chatbots that ask how you're feeling to cars that sense driver fatigue, emotional AI is everywhere. We're moving from learning the language of machines to machines learning the language of human emotion. It's a profound shift, full of possibilities and questions. To teach machines emotion, we must first dissect and quantify it, turning smiles and sighs into data. As we build these systems, we're not just engineering code, we're holding up a mirror to our own humanity. What is happiness? Can sadness be reduced to data? Emotional AI forces us to confront the very nature of feeling. How does a machine grasp something as messy as human emotion? By becoming a master detective, searching for clues in our faces, voices, and words. Computer vision analyses tiny facial movements, the arch of an eyebrow, a smile's curve, matching them to vast databases of labeled emotions. Our voices reveal even more. Emotional AI listens to tone, pitch, and tempo, decoding hidden emotional signals. Then there's our writing. Sentiment analysis trains AI on millions of texts to gauge the emotional weight of words and phrases. All these streams, facial, vocal, textual, feed into machine learning models. The AI has shown millions of examples. This face is joyful. This voice is angry. This sentence is disappointed. Over time, it learns to recognize patterns, matching them to emotional labels. It doesn't understand why a frown means sadness, it just knows the pattern. Emotional AI is powerful pattern recognition, applied to the human soul. Here's the crucial distinction. When an AI says, "I understand you're sad," it isn't feeling empathy, it's performing. Like a skilled actor, emotional AI studies human behavior and delivers convincing responses, but it's all simulation. Its responses are chosen from a library of empathetic phrases, based on statistical analysis of what a human might say. If your voice drops, it deploys a comforting tone. It's a sophisticated game of if-then. The machine has no inner life, no memories, no real feelings, just data and programming. It mirrors the patterns it's shown, not because it cares, but because it's designed to. The difference? It's like comparing a planet to a picture of a planet. One is real, the other is just an image. When we interact with emotional AI, we're witnessing digital puppetry. The performance can be convincing, even helpful, but it lacks genuine emotion. A machine can process that you're sad, but it can't feel sadness. There's a universe of difference between knowing the path and walking it. Emotional AI is an echo, not the experience itself. Emotional AI is shaping our daily lives in subtle and significant ways. In mental health, chatbots offer a non-judgmental space, using sentiment analysis to respond with therapeutic techniques. In business, customer service bots detect frustration and escalate issues, aiming to improve satisfaction. Dating apps analyze conversation patterns to predict compatibility or suggest icebreakers. Cars use emotional AI to monitor drivers for drowsiness or distraction, issuing alerts when needed. In education, AI tutors could adapt to a student's frustration or engagement, personalizing learning. Video games adjust difficulty based on your stress levels. Smart homes might play calming music when you're stressed. Across healthcare, entertainment, and beyond, emotional AI is woven into our society. Each application uses emotional data to make technology more responsive and personal. We're outsourcing emotional labor to machines, changing how we relate to technology. As we embrace emotional AI, we face profound ethical questions. What happens when machine empathy feels real? Does it matter that it's just an algorithm? We might trust a machine's predictable empathy over the messiness of real human emotion. But the potential for manipulation is immense. Ads that adjust to your mood, algorithms that exploit vulnerability. Who owns our emotional data? How is it used? The line between care and coercion can blur. True empathy is born from shared experience, something AI can never have. Machines can simulate empathy, but they can't share in our humanity. If we accept simulation as a substitute, we risk devaluing real connection. Let's marvel at emotional AI, use it wisely, but remember, a machine can speak the language of emotion, not feel it. The most complex universe is inside our own minds. Let's use technology, but always stay real, stay connected, stay human.